Welcome to RevMax Motors. Today, we're diving into the ultimate fusion of luxury and mobility, the all-new 2025 Create a Same luxury motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without sacrificing comfort and style, this is the ride for you. From the outside, the 2025 Create a Same exudes elegance with its aerodynamic design, premium metallic finish, and signature LED lighting. The panoramic windows not only add to its sleek look but also offer breathtaking views from the inside. With cutting-edge engineering and lightweight materials, this motorhome delivers a smooth, fuel-efficient ride, making long road trips a pleasure. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a world of sophistication. The spacious interior is designed with high-end materials, including Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood paneling, and state-of-the-art ambient lighting. The living area features a fully automated entertainment system, a retractable 75-inch smart TV, and a premium surround sound system for the ultimate cinematic experience. The kitchen rivals those of luxury apartments, equipped with top-tier appliances, a full-sized refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and a quartz countertop with a built-in smart sink. Smart technology integration allows you to control lighting, climate, and security right from your smartphone or voice commands. The bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, built-in storage, and a skylight for stargazing at night. The ensuite bathroom is nothing short of luxury, with a rainfall shower, marble countertops, and high-end fixtures that redefine comfort on the road. Performance-wise, the 2025 Create a Same is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric system, offering both power and efficiency. With a range of up to 800 miles on a single charge and an advanced air suspension system, it provides a seamless ride no matter where you travel. Safety is top-notch with 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and emergency braking, ensuring a secure journey. Plus, the motorhome is designed with sustainable features, including solar panels and a water recycling system, making it eco-friendly without compromising luxury. Now, the big question: how much does this rolling mansion cost? The 2025 Create a Same luxury motorhome starts at $2.5 million, with customization options that can take it even higher. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury, technology, and freedom. Would you take this dream machine on the road? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RevMax Motors for more exclusive automotive content. See you in the next ride.